Think about this. A setup gets 20,000 views on social media, a 5-star review, and the client is thrilled. Total success, right? Well, for most artists, this success actually pays less than a minimum wage job once you factor everything it takes. Hi, I'm Alex Jimenez, founder of WeBalloonz, and today I'm breaking down the balloon math behind our most popular package, including why we charge $800 for an install that many people are out there quoting $300. I wasn't always the person with the coordinates. In 2019, my husband and I were living out of our family van. Not quite, but it felt like it. We were doing 15 jobs on the weekend, 7 installs a day, starting from zero every single time. We were exhausted. But most of what I learned at that time is what I shared today. I walked the path and I'm still in the trenches today. My team and I are out there every weekend. I used to charge $250, $300. Why? Because I didn't know any better. But here it is the perspective shift you need. We talk about six-figure business like they are a dream. But the reality is that a 50% profit margin is just $50,000. That's an office job salary. But an office job doesn't take your weekends and your family time. Your business does. So if you aren't getting compensated for those intangibles, you don't have a business. You have an expensive hobby. The hobbyists say, it's just balloons and my time. I'll take $300 because I want the job. I'm not judging. Most balloons artists have said that at some point. The CEO says, my overhead, my cost of goods, my delivery, and my profit margin dictates the price. If the math doesn't work, the job doesn't happen. Look at this Paddington set. To the untrained eye, it's just a baby shower. To me, it's a high-ticket asset. But here's the difference. You cannot eyeball a garland. You need to know your cost per balloon. If you don't, you are just guessing. In our business, our materials alone for a setup like this are $150, $300 because we double stuff for quality. Add 3 hours of prep and install labor, and you're already moving past that $300 hobbyist price point. But then there is pillar number 2, which is positioning. Why do people listen to big accounts over small ones? It's pricing powered, but that power costs money. My marketing budget is $2,000 a month. My payroll and taxes are about $8,000 a month. That's $10,000 out the door before I buy a single balloon. If you don't charge for the business you want to have, you will stay in a hamster wheel where you can't afford to hire the help you need to grow. So for that setup you saw, our price is $800. If you're starting from zero, yes, practice and take the jobs, but do it with a plan to increase. Stop looking at your local competitors. They might be 1 month away from quitting. You are building a profitable business you will be proud of. The difference between an artist who feels stuck and one who is prosperous isn't only the quality of the work, it's the quality of the system. I'm starting a BBB Insiders, a free community, so you can move past pretty colors and start mastering profit margins, digital assets, and building a business that actually works for you. The link is in the description below to join us. But before you go, I want to hear from you. What is the number one thing stopping you from hitting that 6-figure goal right now? Is it pricing? Is it finding clients? Or is it just the sheer overwhelm of the hassle? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. Let's get you to those 6 figures. I'm Alex Jimenez, and I'll see you in the next video, or even better, I'll see you inside the community. Peace.